Hello students, welcome to your political science classes. Today we are going to do about your political science, and let us tell me, you may see the pictures of these people. Try to recognize these pictures. Hopefully you are doing well for it. Till now you have understood but can't talk with me. Let us wait for that another day. These are the Speaker of Lok Sabha. Speaker of Lok Sabha is very important person in the Lok Sabha that will discuss his functions accordingly. You will know about his position in Indian Lok Sabha. Okay, I'll tell you this is female figure is regarding that was Meera Kumar and another these figures are, you have to tell me who is the present speaker of Lok Sabha. This is related to somewhat Birla, BP Birla, like that. Okay, tell me and in comment box or on WhatsApp and in my next video. And hopefully you have understood who is this, who people, what are they doing, and exactly this is the picture that is Rajya Sabha and the next picture related to Lok Sabha. Both combinedly make this parliament. Like in my previous video, we have discussed about it that how the people work here in the parliament. Parliament has two houses, Lok Sabha, this one, and Rajya Sabha. You have to identify the pictures and tell me the difference between Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. What you have seen the differences in the picture only. Then there are the speakers of Lok Sabha, and today we are going to do discussion about the speakers of Lok Sabha. I mean to say who is maybe the speaker of Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha, we know that very important house of our Indian Parliament. Both the houses are important, but as Lok Sabha have majority of the number, say 543 members are elected in Lok Sabha. For this Lok Sabha, there is a speaker. He presides over the meetings, all the meetings from both the houses. There is one deputy speaker also. And now I am going to tell you about the election of the speaker. The speaker of Lok Sabha is elected by the member of Lok Sabha themselves. The speaker must necessarily be the member of Lok Sabha, and he appoints with the help of, with the suggestion and consulting with Prime Minister, one deputy speaker also. And important point is to be noted that the speaker is generally from the ruling party, and speaker is taken from the ruling party while the deputy speaker is taken from the opposition party, like one party who is not in ruling present. Then we talk about the term of the office of the this one, we can say that Speaker of Lok Sabha. He is normally elected for the period of 5 years, as with the session of Lok Sabha term and Rajya Sabha and Parliament. Then he is Speaker of Lok Sabha is elected for 5 years, but he can be removed from his office within the notice period of at least 14 days notice for moving such for this resolution when he is to be removed. Next we can talk about salary and allowances of the Lok Sabha. Approximately 1,25,000 something salary he is taking, and that is announced and fixed by the Parliament. That is announced and fixed by the Parliament. Time to time, Parliament can make some changes in the allowances and that salary of the Lok Sabha speaker. He is having some privileges also, that where he cannot tolerate any type of interference from the members, either from Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and others. In other way, the whole sole function in the parliament session controlled by the Lok Sabha speaker, but then also I'll tell you some important functions and parts of Lok Sabha speaker. He Lok Sabha speaker, with the consultation with the leader of the other houses, ruling party, and as well as the president, he gives time and debates on the address of the president and moves to the motion of thanks to address the president. This function is done by Speaker of Lok Sabha. He allows member to ask questions. Third is adjournment motions are also moved with this consultation. The speaker may allow the publication of bill in Gazette and of India. And fifth one is his consent is necessary for the motion to adjourn the debate on a bill. And very important, I am going to give one task here, that nowadays 2-3 days back there is a bill regarding farmers, and Harsimrat Kaur Badal from Punjab, CM has given his resignation. You have to collect information regarding that also, like a bill is there. So that's why I got this question to ask you. And he appoints next function for Speaker of Chairman, Speaker of Lok Sabha. He appoints the Chairman of the Select Committees and General Purpose Committees. He allowed time for the discussion of budget. He is channel of communication between President and Prime Minister. Very, very important. He works as a intermediate between President and Prime Minister whenever they have to discuss about any next declaration or issue. No member can address the House without his permission. Right? All the members have to address the chair. Mean to say, they cannot discuss with each other whatsoever is there. They always address towards the Speaker of Lok Sabha. And if any member raises any point of order for it, the Speaker to give his own ruling, and his ruling is final and binding on all. The Speaker of Lok Sabha preserves the orders of the houses. If the situation goes out of control, then Speaker can suspend the meeting of the House, and in case he finds the conduct of member is disorderly, he can ask him to leave the House. And आपने सुना होगा जो whenever these sessions are going on, लोक सभा एंड राज्य सभा चैनल प्लीज सी, और वहाँ आपने देखोगे आप दे एवरी टाइम एड्रेसेस दिस लोक सभा स्पीकर, कृपया शांति बनाए रखें, कृपया शांति बनाए रखें. Such type of comments are given by him time to time to all the members of Lok Sabha when session is going on. And after that, I'm going to discuss his next power. He exercises control over the visitors gallery also. It is he who regulates the admission of outsiders in the house. He can speak them to leave the house also. He puts question to vote and announces the result. Sometime on the spot, some decisions are taken, right? So that function is done by Lok Sabha Speaker. The Speaker of Lok Sabha is the guardian of the privileges of the members of the Lok Sabha. He can insist that action must be taken against anyone guilty or violating the privileges of members of the House. And before sending a bill to Rajya Sabha or President, he signs the bill as a token of having been passed by the Lok Sabha majority. जब तक स्पीकर साइन नहीं करता, बिल कैन नॉट बी साइन फॉर फाइनल signatures of the president. Speaker also performs some important administrative functions. and Secretariat staff of Lok Sabha works directly under Lok Sabha Speaker. Speaker is the custodian of the dignity of the House to all the members. Speaker has no right to vote in the first instance, but he has the right to vote in the case of tie, mean to say whenever any type of decisions are taken. The office of the speaker is honor and dignity and authority. He presides over houses and his pivot around of all the political gravity where it resolves. And according to one politician, according to the former speaker Shri Hukam Singh, speaker is one of the highest office in the land, and he said this in March 1977 that speaker or chairman is an institution by himself. अपने आप में एक बड़ा institution है. Moreover, Pandit, our former, mean to say first Prime Minister of India, also declared that the speaker represents the house, the freedom of the house, because house represents the nation, and in particular way the speaker becomes the symbol of nation's freedom, dignity, and liberty. Therefore, it is right that there should be, his position should be occupied properly, not only by him, by the citizen, by the presence of other members in the house, and whenever there is any issue regarding adjournment, mean to say non-confidence motion, the role of Speaker of Lok Sabha is very, very important. It plays its very important role in Lok Sabha Speaker, and free position should be occupied always by men of understanding, ability, and very, very important, impartiality. Mean to say Speaker don't show any type of partiality through his working. In this way, this is the position functions of Speaker of Lok Sabha. Thank you, students.